Welcome teachers, parents and fellow students to the 2022 Year 6 Farewell Assembly. We look forward to sharing some of the wonderful experiences that we have had here in the junior school.
On my first day of Barker, I was so nervous because I didn't know anyone. But little did I know that making friends at Barker is so easy.
Every minute at Barker has been an enjoyable one, and I owe that all to the amazing teachers. To all the teachers, specialists, parents and friends, you have helped us all so much, and on behalf of the students, I'd like to say a huge congratulations and thank you.
And that's what today is about. It's about giving thanks for what has happened and imagining the next. And the truth of the matter is that our Year 6s will comprise a little bit over half of the size of Year 7. And they will be teaching the students from around about 50 other primary schools something of the Barker way. In the soul of our students here lies the essence of what it is to be a Barker student. And our new friends, when they come, they will be figuring out, what do I have to do at Barker? And they will look to our Year 6s. And we say this regularly, the spirit and soul of the school rests in the hearts of our students here.
I hope that you will take your junior school experiences and use them as the foundation for a great future. Congratulations on reaching the end of your primary school, and thank you for the contribution you have made to the junior school.